Have a nice day, everyone. In the previous video, I spoke about the hydraulic tanks and the engine-driven pump in the engine, electric motor pumps in the main wheel well, and power transfer units, okay, and the rat in the under the surface of wing. This time I will speak about the servo controls. In the past, in Boeing 707, I remembered that the movement of the flight controls through cables, links, rods, cams, but nowadays the system of movement comes from the servo controls. Okay, what is the servo controls? I will show you. This is the servo control here, servo control, and the aileron, the movement of it up and down. The elevator moves up and down. The rudder moves left and right. Spoiler extended or retracted. Yaw damper also left and right. Okay, and the rudder. Okay, here is the location, but go first out the servo control. This is the servo control here. This is the hydraulic. Okay, here connections, hydraulics, supply and return, pressurized or return, and this is here seals. This is rod. Okay, this is the end and end. They move here to make move or retract. Okay, this is the servo controls here. Also, again, I will show you here. There is the servo control here. Here, servo controls the movement here. So, the servo controls at ailerons, elevators, rudder, spoiler, and yaw damper. Here's the location: static seals during system pressurized. In the normal operation, non-drop or not allowed, any leak not allowed. But here, to avoid delay, 2 drops in 10 minutes. This is for static seals on all these servo controls. Here, dynamic seals, also system pressurized. In the normal, 1 drop in 10 minutes. Okay, but here for dispatch, the elevator, the servo controls at the elevator, 6 drop in 10 minutes. And the aileron, 6 drop in 10 minutes. For rudder, 30 drop per minute. Spoiler, 30 drop per minute. Please take care. You must go and follow your aircraft maintenance manuals and the notes. Okay, I am just to show you that the manufacturer maintenance manual guide you to make the correct troubleshooting for these leaks. Here, this is the source. Help me. Here are the elevators here, left and right, movement down and up. Here the ailerons, okay, moves also up and down. Here is the aileron. Here is the spoilers. This is the spoilers. Okay. This is extended or retracted. I show you also. This figure show you what system feeds any servo control. You see here some colors, the green and yellow and blue. Okay, here is the elevators, here, and here is the aileron, here is the spoilers, here is the rudder. Okay, this is the spoilers here extended, the spoiler extended, and here the flaps extended also, but here the spoilers. Here is the pitch, the yaw damper here at the rudder, the yaw damper. This is the yaw damper. Please take care when you make troubleshooting and go to check the leakage. You must take the safety precautions, such as here. You must take care in the cockpit, put the cautions, and you can pull the circuit breakers to avoid any pressurized for the system. Maybe you are here and this retracted on you. So take care from the safety precautions. I am waiting your comments and your suggestions about the colors. Like here, are the colors is good or no to change the colors? Also, the figures, do you need more details or that is enough to you? Thank you very much and goodbye.